Click on Assembly Constraints, select the valve pattern, prints NG6, NG16 and a slip-in NG25, and we test the components we have instructed for assembly. Assembly interface, NG16, we select the component which is a H4WH. Move to the right, click OK. Slip-in cover, select CAD model, Duplomatic, LP25. Move to right, OK. NG6, select CAD model. We search for Z2FS6. Move to right. Then we search for WSE. Search. Move to right. We can define assembly sequence. So flow control valve first, then directional control valve. If it is not correct, change sorting. OK. Assemble. MD Tools will load 3D models and assemble mate into the block. This is our assembly.